Hi everybody, I am here with my little man doing halotherapy. And if you are curious about halotherapy, today's video is a little vlog about our experience at our local salt spa. Stay tuned for this special video about how to heal your respiratory passages. Welcome everybody, I'm Dr. Melissa Gallagher and this is little Gabriel. Say hi, Gabriel. Aw, thanks bud. We are out at our local salt spa for some halotherapy work because he has a little bit of some nasal drainage, and we're just utilizing this as a mom and as a family to help enhance his health and wellness. He's recently started a preschool program, and as you know, if you're a parent, those places tend to have a lot of germs. So we're really excited to be utilizing this as a way to keep him healthy and to combat all of the germs and exposure he has. We have been able to keep him healthy and well, free of sinus infections and ear infections by using this particular ancient therapy since he was a baby. I'm super excited to share this therapy with you. Basically, halotherapy, there's a vent right there that pushes salt particles into the air, and we are right now inhaling the salt like you would a nasal spray. It's amazing because you can inhale it through your mouth as well. Your skin is getting the benefits of the salt, and halotherapy has been found to help prevent cold and flu. It helps minimize ear and sinus infections. It even invigorates your detox system. It moves your lymphatics, and we all know I'm a huge lymphatic mover fan. Anything that can help us detoxify our bodies is beneficial for the lymphatics. So this halotherapy, we come to our local salt spa anytime we need to, but folks that might have eczema or psoriasis, they actually come on a more frequent basis. Folks dealing with seasonal allergies also can benefit from a more regular routine. And what I find is that when folks come into a room like this happens to be the children's room, and I want to show you, they have salt here on the ground. This is Himalayan sea salt, and the walls have salt. The whole entire room has salt. So I'll take you on a quick little tour of the facility that we go to. So what I find is when we enter the halotherapy and we begin, the sinuses start draining. So this actually helps pop the ears. It improves the sinus drainage. It improves the lymphatic drainage. But it's really beneficial for healing your body and minimizing the degree of bacterial and viral infections in the sinus and nasal passages. It's such a wonderful treatment. Most salt spas have children's rooms, and this particular salt spa has 4 treatment rooms where they do therapies like massage and facials. And then on Saturday mornings, they actually open up the children's room for yoga, which is fantastic. So check out your local salt spa to get the benefits of halotherapy. I'll include some links to learn more about the halotherapy that might be available to you. And then also, if you are watching and you're local, I actually have 4 gift certificates that our local spa has gifted my viewers and fans. If you want to try it out, shoot me a message below and I will make sure to get you a Salt Med Spa gift certificate for, I think they have 5 locations here in our area. All right, everybody.
Bye.
Thanks for tuning in, and we will see you on our next video. Say bye, bud.
Bye.
Wave, say bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Aw, thanks, bud. You gonna show them the salt? Gabriel wants to show you the salt. Show him the salt. Show him. Show him the salt. Good job, bud.